If your CapCut template is not showing, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get templates loading again without wasting time. This is a common issue, and it usually comes down to an outdated app, a corrupted cache, or simply not being signed into the right account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to check and how to fix it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, the most important thing to do is update CapCut. If you're using the desktop version, open the CapCut app and go into the settings area to check for updates. If the update option isn't available, the safest move is to re-download the newest version directly from CapCut's official website. Using the latest version is important because templates are tied to app features that can change over time, and an older version may not be compatible with what CapCut is currently showing. Once you've made sure the app is updated, the next step is to clear your app cache. Over time, cached files can build up and cause features like templates to stop loading properly. To do this, open CapCut and go to the menu, then head into Settings and look for cache size. From there, clear the cache completely. This can help refresh the app and remove any temporary files that may be preventing templates from appearing. After clearing the cache, restart CapCut and check the templates section again. If the templates still aren't showing, the next thing you should do is log into your account. A lot of trending templates require you to be signed in because CapCut may need to verify your account, region, or access permissions before displaying them. If you're not logged in, some template feeds may look empty or limited. So sign in with the account you normally use, then refresh the app and give it a moment to load. In some cases, you may need to fully close CapCut and reopen it after signing in so the changes take effect. Now, if everything is updated, the cache is cleared and you're signed in, but templates still are not showing, give the app a little time and check your internet connection as well. A weak connection can stop template content from loading correctly. You can also try signing out and signing back in again if needed. These small fixes often make a big difference when CapCut content is being slow or incomplete. So to quickly recap, update CapCut to the latest version, clear the app cache, and make sure you're logged into your account. Those 3 steps solve most template loading problems in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech and editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.